In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Asana timeline or Gantt chart. First, open the Asana project that contains the work you want to export. If you have many projects, use the sidebar or search to find it quickly. Make sure you have access to the project and that all the tasks you want included are visible. If someone has shared a read-only link with you, you can still view the timeline, but you'll need permissions to export from within the project. Once the project is open, switch to the timeline view if you're not already there. In Asana, the timeline is the Gantt style view that shows tasks as bars across dates. Look for the timeline tab near the top of the project. Before exporting, take a moment to confirm the timeline shows the correct date range, filters, and sections. What you see here is typically what you'll capture in a print or PDF export, so it's worth double checking visibility, expanded sections, and zoom level. Next, open the project menu to find the export option. This is usually the three-dot menu near the project name or in the upper right. Click it and look for options like Export Print. The wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but it will be in that menu. Now choose your preferred export format. If you need a data file for spreadsheets or another reporting tool, select CSV. This will include task details like names, dates, assignees, and sections that map well to tables. If you want a snapshot of the actual timeline layout for sharing or presentations, choose Print or PDF. The print option often lets you save as a PDF from your browser's print dialog, preserving the visual schedule. Proceed to download or save the exported file. For CSV, your browser will download it to your default folder, or you can pick a location and a clear file name so it's easy to find later. For PDF, use the print dialog to select Save as PDF, set the paper size, switch to landscape if needed, and adjust scaling so the timeline fits comfortably on the page. Finally, open the file to verify everything exported correctly. If it's a CSV, open it in your spreadsheet app and confirm columns like task name, start and due dates, assignee, and section look accurate. If it's a PDF, scan the timeline to make sure bars, dates, and headings are readable and nothing important is cut off. If something looks off, return to the timeline view, adjust what's visible, and export again. That's it. Your Asana timeline is now exported and ready to share or analyze.